Today we're going to show you how to install a door sensor on your garage door. Here's what you'll need. A door sensor with its main sensor and magnet, a 3.5-inch hinge, and some 3M double-sided tape. The hinge and sensor can be placed anywhere on the garage door as long as the main sensor component and magnet separate when the door is opened. We recommend installing the hinge and sensor on the upper part of your garage door, as separation of the main sensor component and magnet will occur immediately, ensuring that the Gen 2 alarms in a timely manner. First, attach the main sensor to the garage door. Locate the bottom half of the split in your garage door around the center. Use 3M double-sided tape to secure the sensor firmly in place. Next, take the 3.5-inch hinge and use a 3M tape to attach the top of the hinge to the other half of the garage door, just above the split. Ensure the hinge aligns with the main sensor. Now attach the magnet piece of the sensor to the bottom of the hinge using 3M tape. Ensure the magnet aligns with the main sensor when the garage door is closed. When the garage door is closed, the main sensor and magnet should align perfectly. When the garage door opens, the sensor magnet on the hinge will separate, triggering the Gen 2 alarm panel. And that's it, a quick and easy way to install the door sensor on your garage door using a hinge and some 3M tape. Now you have a functional and reliable system in place.